If you're looking for a powerful Bluetooth speaker under $100 in 2025, two names stand out: JBL Charge 6 and Sony XB100. And today, we're putting them head to head to see which one truly deserves your money, both in sound and overall value. The JBL Charge 6 just launched with some subtle but impressive upgrades like improved battery efficiency, better waterproofing, and slightly crisper mids, while the Sony XB100 is a compact beast focused on deep bass and rugged durability. Starting with the design, the Charge 6 keeps that iconic pill shape with a tighter fabric mesh, USB-C charging port, and that signature bold JBL logo, while the XB100 takes a more cylindrical, rugged look, ultra portable and built like a tank for outdoors. In terms of sound quality, the Charge 6 leans into balanced audio. It offers deep bass without muddying the mids, and the highs are noticeably brighter than previous models. Sony's XB100 on the other hand punches hard in low frequencies thanks to its passive radiator and extra bass tuning, but it does get a little muddy at max volume, especially with vocals. Now, battery life matters in any speaker, and this is where JBL takes a solid lead, giving you up to 20 hours of playtime compared to the XB100's 16 hours. Although Sony's Quick Charge gives you 1 hour of playtime in just 10 minutes, which is perfect for on-the-go users. Both support Bluetooth 5.3 and multi-point connection, but JBL's Party Boost is a game changer if you want to connect multiple JBL speakers for a louder setup, while Sony uses fast pair and supports stereo pairing, but only with another XB100. Talking about waterproofing, both come with IP67 ratings, so they're dustproof and water-resistant, perfect for beach or poolside hangouts, but the Charge 6 also floats, which is great peace of mind if you're a frequent pool user. Now let's talk about smart features. JBL still skips Smart Assistant integration to focus on core audio performance, whereas Sony includes Google Fast Pair and Voice Assistant access depending on your phone. One underrated feature with JBL is the power bank function, letting you charge your phone on the go through its USB port, which is missing on the Sony. When it comes to portability, Sony clearly wins, weighing just 274 grams and slipping easily into a backpack or even a large pocket, while the Charge 6 is more for those who want room-filling sound in a semi-portable size. Price-wise, both speakers are often found around $99 or even lower during sales, but the Charge 6 justifies its price better with longer battery, more balanced sound, and extra features like reverse charging. However, if you're strictly focused on portability and heavy bass in a small frame, the Sony XB100 is no slouch and may actually be a better fit for outdoor adventurers or students who want a durable companion. Overall, if you prioritize balanced audio, longer battery, and bonus features like a power bank, then JBL Charge 6 is the smarter buy. But if you're on the move and want strong bass with solid durability in a small package, the XB100 holds its own. Let me know in the comments which speaker fits your lifestyle better, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and hands-on comparisons right here on Digital Dive.